Number 278 Sierra Papa is now number 2 to follow the suspect traffic just ahead of you. Runway 24, clear to land. November 278 Sierra Papa, acknowledge.
Say again.
You're on the down when you should be listening to every transmission. Remember, 278 Sierra Papa is number 2 to follow suspect just ahead of you. Runway 24, cleared to land.
Number 2, following the traffic, clear to land 24. Sorry about that, 278 Sierra Papa.
Trent Tower, Cessna, November 305, Foxtrot Golf, holding short 24 at Bravo. Ready for departure.
Number 305, Foxtrot Golf, Trenton Tower, hold short, landing traffic.
Hold short, landing traffic, 305, Foxtrot Golf.
Number 790 Sierra Papa, no delay, right turn onto Delta, ground point 9, or keep it moving, hold short of Alpha.
No delay, right turn on Delta. I will hold short of Alpha 790 Sierra Papa.
Number 305 Foxtrot Golf, runway 24, line up and wait. November 305 Foxtrot Golf, acknowledge.
305 Foxtrot Golf, say again.
Number 278 Sierra Papa, turn right onto Delta, ground point 9er.
Right on Delta, ground point 9er, 278 Sierra Papa. Foxtrot Golf, he said line up and wait.
No, hey, you don't give instructions like that. Who just said that? All right, there's 4 of you out there, so I'm going to find out what one of you did. You have a chance to be honest right now. Who just said that out on the frequency?
That was 583.
Say again?
96583.
Number 583, Roger, get your destination, you give the tower a call.
Yes, sir.
That was a dangerous, dangerous thing you did.
Hey, tower, would you give me that number, please?
609-882.
609-882. Apologize.
November 305 Foxtrot Golf, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, November 305 Foxtrot Golf.
Number 906 at 583 Trenton Tower, hold short, awaiting I-5 release.
Hold short, 583.
Number 583, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 583.
Number 583, contact photo for departure.
For departure, 583.